What if the universe itself is alive? What if the massive structures we see in deep space aren't just random formations, but the neural networks of a cosmic brain billions of light years across? The evidence for this mind-blowing possibility is hiding in the largest structures ever discovered. Let's start by breaking your brain with some numbers that will make you question your place in existence. The largest known structure in the observable universe is called the Hercules-Corona Borealis Great Wall. This cosmic giant stretches across 10 billion light years of space. To put that in perspective, if you could travel at the speed of light, the fastest possible speed in the universe, it would take you 10 billion years just to cross from one end to the other. But here's what's really terrifying. This structure is so massive that it shouldn't exist according to our current understanding of physics. The cosmological principle states that the universe should be roughly uniform at large scales, but these cosmic giants violate that principle completely. While we're talking about giants, let's discuss their equally terrifying counterparts, the cosmic voids. The Boötes void, also known as the Great Nothing, is a region of space so empty that it contains almost no galaxies across 330 million light years of emptiness. If our Milky Way galaxy was located in the center of this void, we wouldn't have discovered other galaxies until the 1960s because they would be too far away to see. Imagine the cosmic loneliness of any civilization that might exist in such a void. They would look up at their night sky and see nothing. No distant galaxies, no cosmic neighbors, just an endless ocean of darkness stretching in every direction. Here's where things get really mind-bending. When you map out the largest structures in the universe, something incredible emerges, a pattern that looks exactly like the neural networks in a human brain. Galaxies aren't randomly scattered through space. They're connected by massive filaments of dark matter that stretch across billions of light years. These cosmic filaments contain most of the normal matter in the universe, and they're connected by nodes where galaxy clusters form. The resemblance to brain tissue is so striking that some scientists seriously consider the possibility that we're living inside a cosmic consciousness. Something massive is pulling our galaxy through space at 600 kilometers per second, but we can't see what it is. The Great Attractor is a gravitational anomaly so powerful that it's dragging hundreds of thousands of galaxies toward it, including our own Milky Way. The terrifying part? We can't directly observe it because it's hidden behind the plane of our galaxy. What's even more disturbing is that recent discoveries suggest the Great Attractor itself is being pulled by something even larger, a structure called the Shapley supercluster. We're essentially caught in a cosmic tug-of-war between invisible giants that dwarf our comprehension. If these cosmic giants are making you feel both amazed and terrified about our place in the universe, smash that like button. And if you want to explore more mind-blowing cosmic mysteries, subscribe and hit that notification bell. In the early universe, there existed cosmic giants that make our sun look like a flickering candle. Quasars are the most luminous objects in the universe, single points of light that outshine entire galaxies containing hundreds of billions of stars. The most powerful quasars emit energy equivalent to trillions of suns, and they can be seen from billions of light years away. But here's the truly mind-bending part. Quasars are powered by supermassive black holes that are eating entire solar systems for breakfast. These cosmic monsters can devour matter equivalent to our entire Earth every few minutes, converting it into energy that blazes across the universe like a cosmic searchlight. The most violent events in the universe are gamma-ray bursts, explosions so powerful that they release more energy in 10 seconds than our sun will produce in its entire 10 billion year lifetime. These cosmic giants can be seen from the edge of the observable universe, and if one occurred within 6,000 light years of Earth, it would instantly sterilize our planet. What makes these events even more terrifying is that they're essentially cosmic death rays that can kill entire civilizations across vast distances. When a massive star collapses into a black hole, it can fire these gamma-ray beams across the universe like a cosmic sniper rifle. The largest structures in the universe are things we can't even see directly. Dark matter halos are invisible scaffolding that holds the cosmic web together. These ghostly giants are 5 times more massive than all the visible matter in the universe combined, yet they interact with normal matter only through gravity. Each galaxy, including our own, sits inside a dark matter halo that extends far beyond the visible stars. Our Milky Way's dark matter halo is roughly 1 million light-years across, several times larger than the galaxy itself. We're essentially living inside an invisible giant that we can only detect through its gravitational effects. At the center of almost every galaxy lurks a supermassive black hole, a cosmic giant with a mass of millions or billions of suns compressed into a point smaller than our solar system. These monsters don't just sit passively. They actively shape the evolution of entire galaxies through their immense gravitational influence. The largest known black hole, TON 618, has a mass 66 billion times greater than our Sun. Its event horizon, the point of no return, is so large that it would take light weeks to cross from one side to the other. If TON 618 replaced our Sun, its event horizon would extend beyond the orbit of Pluto. The largest gravitationally bound structures in the universe are galaxy clusters, cosmic cities containing thousands of galaxies held together by dark matter. The Coma cluster contains over 1,000 major galaxies and thousands of smaller ones, all bound together in a structure over 20 million light-years across. But even these cosmic giants are just neighborhoods in even larger structures called superclusters. Our own Milky Way is part of the Laniakea supercluster, which contains over 100,000 galaxies spread across 520 million light-years. The most mind-breaking giant of all is the observable universe itself. The cosmic horizon extends 46.5 billion light-years in every direction, containing at least 2 trillion galaxies. But here's the terrifying truth. This is just the tiny fraction of the universe that we can see. The actual universe might be infinite, making our observable universe infinitely small in comparison. Think about that for a moment. Everything we've ever seen, every star, every galaxy, every cosmic structure we've discussed, all of it might be less than a single atom in an infinite cosmic ocean that extends forever in all directions. Some cosmic giants exist not just in space, but in time. Red dwarf stars, the smallest and most common stars in the universe, will continue burning for trillions of years, thousands of times longer than the current age of the universe. These temporal giants will outlive every other star, eventually becoming the only sources of light in a dark, cold universe. Even more mind-bending are theoretical structures like black dwarf stars, the final evolutionary stage of white dwarf stars that won't exist for quadrillions of years. These future giants of time will exist in a universe so old that protons themselves might decay. The universe is filled with giants so massive, so ancient, and so powerful that they make our entire human experience feel like a brief flicker in an infinite cosmic symphony. From structures that span billions of light years to black holes that devour solar systems, we live in a universe dominated by titans that dwarf our wildest imagination. Perhaps the most humbling realization is that despite all our scientific advances, we're still discovering new cosmic giants that challenge our understanding of reality itself. Every time we think we've found the largest structure or most powerful object in the universe, we discover something even more massive lurking in the cosmic darkness. These ancient giants have been shaping the universe for billions of years before Earth even existed, and they'll continue their cosmic dance long after our sun burns out. They remind us that we're not just small in space, we're small in time, existing for a brief moment in the eternal story of cosmic giants. But maybe that's what makes our existence so precious. In a universe filled with incomprehensible giants, somehow matter organized itself into complexity, then life, then consciousness capable of contemplating these very giants. We are the universe becoming aware of itself, even if just for a cosmic instant. The next time you look up at the night sky, remember that you're not just looking at stars. You're looking at the edge of cosmic structures so vast that light from their far sides hasn't had time to reach us yet. You're seeing the fingerprints of giants that shaped reality itself. If these cosmic giants have left you feeling both awestruck and terrified about the true scale of our universe, obliterate that like button and subscribe for more mind-expanding cosmic content. Drop a comment below and tell me, which cosmic giant do you think is the most terrifying and why? Do you believe the universe could actually be a living, conscious entity? How does learning about these cosmic titans change your perspective on humanity's place in existence? And if you're ready for more reality-shattering content, check out my previous videos where I exposed what NASA is hiding about alien structures on Mars, revealed the truth about the Antarctic ice wall that Google Earth won't show you, and proved we might be living in a computer simulation.